Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So, open your content book, block number 2, Ananya and the Dragon. Today we are going to study lesson plan 3, and it is about grammar singular and plural. So, today we are going to learn these two things in lesson plan 3. And what all things we are going to learn in this? To form plurals by adding s or es. Play a game to make singular and plural nouns using word cards. How can we change naming words from one to many? And classwork worksheet 1.3, and your homework will be practice questions 1, 2 and 3. Here in this lesson we are going to learn about identify singular and plural noun, form plurals by adding s or es, and use plural nouns in sentences. The card game, I'll explain you can play with your friend or your family members, because it is impossible to play a card game here in online class. So you can play with your family members or your friends nearby. Okay. So moving on forward, let's see what is more in this topic, the details. As you have learned already in the last year's class, naming words. What are naming words? So that you have learned during your last academic session. Today we'll find out how to change naming words from one to many, such as one book and two books. Have you noticed over here? See, you can notice with the sound itself. If there is one book, book, and more than one, books. See the difference in the sound, book, books. So what difference you can find out? Here again properly, book, books. I have just added s at the end. So by adding s or es, the singular noun becomes plural. Okay, let's see deep into this topic. The keywords we will use are singular and plural. What do you mean by singular? A form of a noun that refers to one person or thing. If there is one person or one thing, such as one boy, one book, one pen, one chocolate, one bag. So if there is anything one like that, person or a thing, or even it may be animal, so that is singular, that is single. And plural means a form of a noun that refers to more than one person or a thing. If there are more than one, if there are 2 books or 4 books or 10 boys or 5 chocolates, so if there is more than one, then it goes to plural. Plural means more than one. Now let's listen a small video. Listen this video carefully and then we'll continue further. Heard the video nicely? Simple it was. How you can change singular into plural. Okay. Now let's have an activity discussion. See, in this activity discussion part 1, what is the question? What is the difference between the words in the two groups. The word in group 1 have s added to them at the end to show many or more than one thing. For example, birds and apples. The word in group 2 have es added to them at the end to show many or more than one thing. For example, foxes and buses. So see these two groups. Group 1, days, birds, apples, students, photos, bananas. Here only one s is added. Only s is added. You can see that s in red color. For example, see dog, D-O-G, dog, and only s is added, dogs. B-I-R-D, bird, and only s is added here, birds. Apple, apples. The same way, see in group 2. Here we have added es, foxes, glasses, dishes, peaches, buses and watches. In group 2, es is added. Understood? It's so simple. Now see the next question. How can we change naming words from one to many? How can you change the naming words from one to many? The naming words that tell us about one person, place, thing or animal are called singular noun, that is single noun, and it is called as singular noun. The naming words that tell us about many people, places, things or animals are called plural nouns. Plural means more than one. We add just s to most of these words like bird, apple, a student to change them to many. Birds, apples and students. When singular noun end in ch, sh, ss, s or x, like in watch, dish, fox, bus and class, we add es to form the plurals like watches, dishes, foxes, buses and classes. Now look to the next box. Forming plural nouns. Singular. Now what are singular noun? Dog, bird, apple, student. Here in this word only s is being added to make it plural. Now see in the second box, second part, plural. Add s. Dogs, birds, apples, students. Here in this noun only s is added, whereas see in the lower box, first one, singular, fox, bus, class, dish, peach. For this kind of nouns we need to add es, that is foxes, buses, classes, dishes and peaches. Understood? Okay. Now see the next question. How will you use the words dogs and foxes in a sentence? Now we are going to use these words in sentence. we can use these plural words to make sentence like I read a story about two dogs and two foxes. See the sentence. I read a story about two dogs and two foxes. So you have to make more sentences like this. This is your homework. This is your practice work. So for your perfection, you practice more and more sentences. Minimum you make 10 sentences. So during online class, I'm going to hear from everyone. Oh, minimum 10 sentences you have to make. You can make more than 10 also if you know. Now let's solve the worksheet 1.3, singular and plural. See question number 1. Look at the picture. Tick the correct box for one and many. Now here they have given picture and words. So you have to tick the correct mark in the box. What is first? What you can see? The first picture, there are two dogs. Yes. Now see where the box is dogs. See, first option is dog and second S is added. So which is right? If there are more than one, yes, dogs. DOGS. Now see the next picture of a kite. How many kite you can see? Then what should be the answer? Kites or kite? Yes, when it is one, we will not add S. Kite. And the last, there are box, more than one I can see over here. So again, where we have added ES, BOXES. Very good. Question 2. Add S or ES to the naming words to show many. Here there are few words and we have to see which word we can, which format, that is S or ES we have to add. Book, only S, books. Okay, see the next word, bench. In this type of word we have to add ES, benches, BENCHES. Okay. The next word is glass. So to make it plural, we have to add ES again. GLASSES, glasses. And the last word is cat. So we are going to add only S over here, cats. See question number 3. Make a sentence using the naming word brush. Now this answer may vary. You can write on your own also. But one possible answer I'll give you, and you have to make one more. See, there is a space for 2 sentences. So you can take a help of this first sentence and make your own sentence, second one. So minimum one more sentence you have to write down. Now here the example is, I have 2 brushes that I use to paint. Now here the word is simple, which is common for you all, but the next sentence you are going to make, and I want each and everyone to write this second sentence. First is, I have 2 brushes that I use to paint, and now second sentence you make of your own choice. Now after this worksheet 1.3, I want you all to solve practice questions 1, 2 and 3. This also you have to solve. Now for practice question, just solve question 1. Question 2 we'll see later. This also we are going to discuss during our online class, the next online class itself. So before attending your online class, see the video carefully. Try to solve 1.3 worksheet and just will discuss the answers of worksheet and practice questions. Okay? So till then, read the lesson, solve this worksheet with the help of the video and be ready for online class. So till then, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye.